It is news time. How are you, Jack?
Good morning, Cindy. I'm fine. And you?
Fine. Surprised by the hurricane of Los Angeles.
These images show what happened in Los Angeles. The hurricane arrived on 6 July, blowing down trees and destroying buildings.
Luckily, nobody resulted injured, but in Los Angeles, we had a hero. We are online with Brian Willing, the firefighter that rescued a child. Hi, Anna.
Hello, Cindy. I am with a person who was called hero here in Los Angeles. Hello, Brian. What was your experience in the hurricane?
Hello. The experience was very important to me because I could return the child to his family.
What were you doing when the family asked help?
I was calming the people and evacuating the area.
What was the child doing?
He was searching his family.
How was the child?
The child was fine. He was hurt, but nothing serious.
The people call you hero. Do you consider yourself a hero?
No, I am not a hero. This is my job and I am happy to do it right.
Okay, Brian, congratulations for your action. You are an example of a person.
What happened is very moving.
We are coming back with more news.